Morning guys, it's November 13th, 2024. This one here I got a call for noise on the furnace. The lady says she runs the furnace and there's noise, so we'll go by there and check it out. Try to get you some shots when I get over there. Noisy thumping furnace, she said. So you said it makes a thumping noise?
Yeah. Now it'll stop.
When the fan comes on?
Now it's going to go. I can hear it better when it's in the room.
You can hear it. You can hear the thump. Why don't we go listen upstairs? Because I'm losing my hearing somewhat.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
I just came back from the hearing guy. I lost my shit on him. I left. I told him I was done. Going through his flipping hearing tests and saying thief and tuish and all these weird flipping. I said I lost my shit on him. You ever go for them flipping hearing tests?
Huh?
I went for a hearing test and I lost my shit with the guy. You know? I had enough. I'm done. I left. Alright, where's the noise?
Listen, I gotta shut it down so you can start up again so you can hear it.
You can hear the thumping?
Not right now, no. After it's stopped, you don't hear it.
I think you need to go for the flipping hearing test.
I don't need the test.
I think she needs to go for the hearing test, huh?
She does.
Where's it? Where is it? Where's the thumping?
Shut the TV off, Bob.
You hear it?
No, I don't hear it right now. Hold on. I hear the thump.
Having a bad day.
You're having a bad day, I guess.
I'm having a bad day. Yeah.
I'm shutting it down.
I really don't hear it. I'm being honest with you.
Okay.
You would hear it downstairs here. Could just be the oil burner making a little bit of noise. I really don't hear it. At night?
Especially at night, I hear it more. I'm dumped in the bedroom. I hear it. What happened was, I had
Thump.
Quality of the Christian. There was a girl that came, that's 2 years ago. 2 years ago she came. It took her like 5 hours just to do a thing, because it's almost noon, this machine, right?
5 hours?
Yeah, she was here 5, took everything apart. After that, I started hearing the thump. It shut down. Then, I called the boss and he came and he did something and he said, I don't like you, I don't hear no thump, but I hear the thump. Okay?
Let me look in the bottom there. I don't know. I don't hear it.
You don't hear it. Okay, now I'm going to put it back on and see if you can.
I don't know. Like I said, I'm losing my shit anyway, so.
You want me to put it back on?
No, not right yet. Let me open it up. Lost my flipping shit. Yeah.
Where did you go for hearing test? On State Road?
Some guy in Swansea.
You're always sending me the thing for
Well, I know my hearing's going a little bit, but
his hearing.
I mean, I only could take so much, you know.
Yeah.
We did the whole hearing test, and then at the end he's saying all these words, and I can't understand what the flippy. These words are very questionable. You know what I mean?
That's his problem.
They're off a little bit, and I mean, I only could take so much of that, and then I fucking I lost it. I lost my shit. You know?
Aids. You need hearing aids.
Huh?
You need hearing aids.
Yeah. And the guy's like, "Oh, don't get mad." It's like, yeah, I had enough. I'm done. You know?
Yeah.
Have so much, stick a fork in me, I'm done.
You're done. Well, get hearing aids. And you'll be fine. Like him. He's got hearing aids, he still can't hear me.
Yeah. It's like a flipping torture. Putting you through flipping torture.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. It's the words. They call that a different kind of hearing. You can't make out the words.
Can't make out the words,
yeah.
You know?
Yeah. But it drives me nuts, especially at night when it comes on and you bum, 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 bum.
I don't really hear it. I mean,
Yeah. You don't either, so. We're both in the same boat.
I got this new girlfriend and she talks like a, she whispers like a flippin' church mouse. Right?
Yeah.
It's like I can't even understand what the flip she's saying half the time. That pisses me off. Somebody's talking to you and you can't understand what the hell they're saying.
It's the same thing. I'm talking to him and he's pissed off because he can't understand what I'm saying.
That's what's happening to me.
Yeah.
Because I guess the female voice is a different pitch.
It's a different tone altogether, yeah.
It's like, what the hell I don't know anything that you said. Very aggravating. Getting old, I guess. Your husband's the same thing?
Same thing. You
Yeah,
can't, when he went for his sanitizer, it was the words.
Oh, this is an ECM. As long as there's nothing in the flipping, I don't see anything in there. Wow, look at this. They sold you this thing, high-end piece of shit. That's what they did. They sold you a high efficiency thing.
Yeah.
Look at this thing. Look at all these flipping bells and whistles and shit.
That's what I said. It's a newer model.
Yeah, no,
it's an ECM. I don't want it to go.
You know what it is? It's that ECM motor. It's probably doing a funky chicken on you at night. This ECM motor.
Yeah.
Sometimes they do this funky chicken. You ever hear the funky chicken? The little dance back and forth.
I hear thump, 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 thump. That's what I hear.
Yeah, it could be that ECM motor.
Yeah.
See it? Because they're kind of like kind of like a Democrat, you know?
Yeah. Kind of like a Democrat, yeah. We just took our time in,
Doing the funky chicken. I don't hear anything, ma'am. I'm telling you, I don't know. You can't hear it either?
Huh?
You can't hear it?
I never hear it. With or without the hearing aids. She hears
Got
it.
it back up again?
Yeah, why don't you?
Hold on.
We're in the same boat. We're kind of losing our shit, huh? Losing our hearing. Yeah, I know I am. You been through them flipping hearing tests too? You been through them hearing tests too?
Yeah, the doctor that the VA sent me to said that the nerve between the ear and the brain is all shot.
Here, listen.
I mean, I get to hear a little. I do not. You hear it there?
I hear it. Thump, 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 thump.
You hear a thump now? You can hear it now?
I can hear it, yes. I can hear it. You guys are freaking deaf.
Wow, you're really sensitive. Huh?
She's done magic.
I need one of those doctor things to put over there.
Well, I don't know. I mean, I don't hear anything. I don't hear anything that's unusual.
What she's hearing is when the thing first fires. Sometimes it'll like...
Wow, I don't know what to tell you. It's nothing, it's normal heat noise. It's an oil burner.
No, when they first put this in, I never heard that noise. After she worked on it...
I don't hear no thumping, to be honest with
because you
you.
don't like the girl.
Well, it's because I didn't like the girl. It's a man difference.
I don't hear it. I don't hear any thumping. I don't...
She claims to hear it all the time. I have never heard it once.
Just sit down.
Sometimes I come down and I shut the pillow slow. I sit right here in a chair. And then she tells me afterwards it just made the sound.
You get a little bit of whining noise, but that's the fan, you know?
It's dump, 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 dump. There's nothing wrong with that. That's the right supposed to be where it is, that white thing there, that white...
Yeah, that's just, that is for the humidifier in the back here. That just spins this. You, I don't hear any thumping. Sorry.
You put that on winter? That's... No, it's not my imagination. No, it's not my imagination. It wakes me up in the night. Thump, 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 thump.
That's your imagination waking you up.
Oh.
Now my imagination.